I'm going to create two videos with two versions how to remove this quarter panel. The main purpose was I'm swapping this with the carbon fibers part, exhaust cover. So that's here. So of course you remove the engine cover. This is a spider. The coupe might be a little bit different, but basically you take these two pieces, trim panel off, open some screws here, which is self-explanatory. The biggest problem is this comes in a way. These two screws are connected somewhere here, or here, I forgot. Yeah, it's here. One here, one here. It's buried underneath, and that's the problem. You cannot reach it. That's why many people has to remove this whole thing. So you remove the cover here, which is just a take off the tabs. Then I'll go on the other side and see how it looks, so you can see. So once you remove this cover, there are torque 30 Torx bolts, 3-4 of them. You have to remove that. You have to remove a bolt from underneath here. There's a bolt inside there, and then there's a tab here, like a clip. So you're going to lift this and pull it out. Then the pain in the butt, a lot of things are there. I can't remember all the screws, but you have to lift this tonneau cover, and there's a screw here, there's a screw here, as you can see. And when you remove this carbon fiber piece or whatever that was, there are two more screws here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then under the wheel well, you have to remove the wheel well, and then you go from underneath. There are, like on the other side, we can see. So there are bolts like this here, which secures top and the bottom, two of them. Then, let me see if I can get light. And then it's secured by, there's a screw here. There is a screw here. You don't need to remove this, but I did unnecessarily. Basically, there is this bracket which holds the fender, and it's like an U shape, goes on the other side. If you remove two bolts here, and if you remove those bolts, there is not that one, actually here. If you remove those bolts, there is one here and one right, my finger is behind this. So if you were to remove those two bolts, then this will lift it a little bit. And then you can raise it a little bit, and you can get a clearance to get that bolt out. The other option is take as many as bolts wherever you see, and you remove the whole fender. That's how I started with this side. I removed the fender, and then when I saw this bracket, you see those two bolts behind this. So if you were to remove it, then the fender will lift, and that will get you a clearance for removing this bolt. So I know it's not that explanatory, but while you're doing it, you will figure it out. So like this, you see when I left it, you see there was a 8mm bolt here, bolt was all the way there, which is on this one. So actually my theory of this lifting might still not give you clearance, but it might. Actually, yeah, it will give you the clearance, because when this lifts, there is some extra gap between this and the screws.